Listen up, you primitive oxygen-wasting meat sacks! I'd drag you all by your ears to watch this if I could.
Why? Because you're obsessed with your tiny problems, while our neighbor, Venus, is a cosmic dumpster fire. That would delete your existence in a heartbeat. But before I ruin your day, look at that red button. Do not subscribe. Seriously, stay away. This channel is for the elite. Most of you can't even handle a push door, so just sit there.
Feel the void and leave, you magnificent bipedal failure! Still here? Fine. Let's talk about Venus. The planet that woke up and chose absolute violence. It looks like a glowing, creamy marble from space.
Ancient poets called it the morning star, but Venus is the ultimate catfish. It looks like a supermodel in photos,
but shows up to the date as a fire-breathing dragon with a personality made of sandpaper. Under those clouds? It's a horror movie. Surface temperature, 465 degrees Celsius. That is hotter than Mercury, the sun neighbor.
Why? Because Venus is that toxic relative who refuses to open a window in July. It's a runaway greenhouse effect.
It's a cosmic oven that's been on broil for 4 billion years. You wouldn't just burn, you'd vaporize.
Imagine a picnic here. Your sandwich wouldn't just toast, it would turn into plasma. Your cold drink? Your cold drink would explode into a steam grenade. You aren't special. You're just a temporary collection of atoms. Stay oxygenated, because Venus has zero interest in your survival. Let's talk about the air. Pressure is 90 times higher. That is like being 900 meters deep in the ocean. Imagine a giant, invisible elephant standing on your head.
That is like being 900 meters deep in the ocean. Imagine a giant, invisible elephant standing on your head.
While a hydraulic press turns your body into organic jam, your rib cage would collapse so fast it would vibrate. Your lungs would turn into paste. Your bones would snap like dry twigs. You think your boss is crushing you? Try standing on Venus. You'd be flatter than a reality TV star's brainwaves in seconds. A total pancake. The atmosphere is 96% carbon dioxide, a toxic, thick soup. You could practically swim in it, but don't. Because you'd be a dead pancake inside a furnace. Every breath would feel like swallowing molten lead. But wait, there's more! Let's talk about the rain. On Earth, we have water. On Venus, concentrated sulfuric acid. Yes, car battery acid! Imagine a romantic walk where your skin starts to sizzle and disappear. Charming. But here's the joke. It's so hot, the acid rain evaporates before it hits the ground. It's a teasing horror movie. You're just surrounded by a burning mist. And the smell? It smells like a billion rotten eggs. Imagine an oven being crushed by an elephant while someone farts in your face for eternity. Welcome to Venus. You can't even handle a bad smell in an elevator. Venus would make you cry for a reset button. Which doesn't exist. Comment hard pass if you're actually paying attention to how terrifying this is. Why spend billions on Mars but ignore our neighbor? Because every time we send a robot, the planet eats it. The Soviet Venera probes were built like tanks. They landed, took grainy photos, and died within 2 hours. They melted and were crushed into junk before the scientists could finish their first cup of coffee. We photograph black holes thousands of light years away, but can't keep a tin can alive next door. For longer than a movie's runtime, Venus is the final boss humanity is too terrified to fight. It's proof the universe isn't a playground. It's a dark simulation that hates your Instagram followers. Review: 465 degrees, acid rain, crushing pressure, and rotten eggs. I told you not to subscribe. If you're still here, you're as broken as Venus's climate. Go back to your oxygen-rich life and stay there. Don't ruin Earth. You don't want to move next door. Trust me. I'll be here laughing at your carbon footprint.
Stay curious, stay savage. Peace out! Oh, you're still watching? You really have a high pain tolerance.
Let's dive deeper. Did you know Venus rotates backwards? It's a total rebel compared to the other planets. The sun rises in the west and sets in the east. It's like the planet does it just to spite you. And a day on Venus is longer than its year. You'd be waiting for the weekend for 243 Earth days.
Imagine a Monday that lasts for months. That is the psychological torture Venus offers for free. No wonder it's angry. It's trapped in a slow nightmare. But the clouds? They move at 360 kilometers per hour.
The clouds circle the planet in 4 days, while the surface barely moves. It's called superrotation. Scientists don't fully get it. But then again, they don't get why you haven't closed this video yet.
Let's talk about the mountains. Maxwell Montes is higher than Everest, and it's covered in metallic snow.
Yes, it snows heavy metals like lead and bismuth on the peaks. Venus is literally more metal than you.
It's a world where the mountains shine with lead frost. Beautiful, in a I want to kill you kind of way.
We used to think it was a jungle world. Early sci-fi writers dreamed of Venetian dinosaurs and swamps.
Boy, were they wrong. Instead of dinosaurs, we got a pressure cooker filled with battery acid.
But hey, at least you don't have to worry about global warming there. It's already finished. Venus won.
It's the ultimate cautionary tale. A planet that lost its oceans and turned into a furnace. Sounds familiar?
Anyway, enough education. You've wasted enough oxygen today. Go do something useful, like breathing. Or don't. I'm a voice in a video. I don't care. But really, don't click that subscribe button. It's a trap.
Only the brave or the truly broken stay here. Which one are you? Comment below so I can judge you.
Venus, 0 stars. Earth, 1 star. Get out of here before I start talking about Jupiter. Seriously, the video is ending. Why are you still watching the black screen? Go away! Fine, stay, but I'm charging you for the oxygen you're using. Bill's in the mail. Peace!
I know you're still there. I can feel your breathing. Freak. Losers.